Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. If you're wondering about the deets for this look, it is with the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette, and this is an LA Colors lip gloss. So finally, after several emails of being delayed and yada 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 yada, I have finally gotten in my Cult Crushes box, okay? Everybody's complaining because you keep seeing like newer subscribers get their box, and I've been subscribed since September, so yeah, it's a little frustrating, but they are a small team, so hopefully they get it right next month. And they said that we're supposed to have a little something different. Hopefully it's something good different, because our Bioderma that everybody else got is not in this box because they're waiting on shipment. That's what delayed the whole thing anyway. So they're waiting on them, and they'll ship that to us when they come out, or when they get them this week, I don't know. So they're supposed to give us something different, so at least this is a little different than everybody else's unboxing you have seen this month. Come bubbled, and then it has the Ricky's card in it. It tells you what you got in it. Okay. I'll pull out what everybody got first. Okay, the first thing is very strongly scented. It's from the Laundress. It's the Wash and Stain Bar. Vegetable soap, borax, and essential oils. Anyway, this is supposed to be used for, you know, getting stains out of your clothing. You know, lipsticks, you know, if the cheaters of the world catch on to this, you know, this could erase those pesky makeup and lipstick stains. It's very strong, and they said don't use this on your brushes, but a lot of people do, just if you don't know if you have a borax sensitivity, especially on your face, which can be more sensitive than the rest of your body. I probably would not use this on my brushes, but I might, but I probably won't, because, well, it's really strong in my eyes, because even like laundry detergent, I have to use all free and clear, otherwise I have eczema bad. Like, I have a kind of eczema that it really triggers it. Most of the time it's okay, especially in the summer. But in the winter it comes up, and then especially if I use something other than all free and clear. So we'll see. Next thing that everybody got is from Pure Pawpaw Ointment. I got the watermelon flavor. It has a little thing. This is basically just Vaseline. It's petroleum and papaya fruit extract. You got some Sarah Alba, I don't know what that is. Used for dry, chapped, cracked lips and skin to soothe and smooth. Apply a thin layer frequently. So this comes sealed. This retails, I know, for $10. So, oh, and it does smell like watermelon. So I think they're all clear. Yeah, it's just like a really thick ointment. So like if you have really chapped lips, I actually put like an ointment on at night anyway, so I might just use this instead. Thing that everybody got is the BH 3-piece Sculpt and Blend Mini 2. It's from BH Cosmetics. I want to say probably, I'd guess around 7 to 8, maybe 6 to 8, somewhere around there. It's the price for these minis. No, I haven't tried any BH brushes. Alright, and this is what they look like. They're actually bigger than that. I want to say they're a little bit bigger, at least a little thicker. But they seem maybe just a couple centimeters longer than the Luxie travel kit we had gotten in BoxyCharm. And they're nice. Ooh, and they're thicker too. Okay, this one I never know what to do with, like that weird brush right there. And then you got the slimy one, and you got a pencil one. So they're not numbered or anything, but brushes are always thing that everybody got is from JCat. Now I didn't know that there was actually a couple of variations. You could have got the ice pink shade or a bronzy shade. Apparently there's like 8 shades altogether. But this is a liquid highlighter. You're supposed to shake well. I got the color Moonlight. I think this is $9. So. Oh, okay, so I actually got the darker color instead of the icy color, which, you know, I can work with the icy color. It's fine. I actually got the bronzier shade, and this is like really soft. It's fun and squeezy. It's like, so this is actually a good shade for me, especially going into summer. I don't have many. I don't think I have any liquid highlighters. The shade gold and yeah, not this kind of like Rumsy goodness. Yeah. See, just like, it's perfect for me. It just gave me like glowy tan kind of thing going on. So, I'm gonna complain. Okay. Seriously, this is the goodie you give us? We have gotten this in a pass box a long time ago. You couldn't give us something Ricky's related, but you know, they are, I just have a lot right now. This is makeup remover from Urban Cosmetics, not Urban Decay, Comodine's Urban Cosmetics, micellar solution for normal skin. I have used these before. They are pretty good. Here, we'll test one out. They do smell good though. I guess I'm not mad about those, but still, something we've gotten before. That's our goodie for having to wait. But I guess they kind of wanted to keep it with the whole removing makeup thing by Dharma micellar water that we're waiting on. So, all in all, that was my Ricky's box. It was an okay month. It wasn't the greatest month. I mean, it was different from what we have been receiving. I'm like, they can't give us a palette every month, especially at $11, which is why they raised to $14. But, and like, it hasn't really been low-end brands of palettes lately. So, you know, he's still waiting on that. Tell me what you thought. Rant, rave, whatever you want to do on the bottom. All I'm saying is next month they best have their stuff together. Next month they need to have their stuff together. They need to realize what's going on. Like, don't pull people off the waiting list if you don't have all the product in. And I think a lot of it might have been like they were promised a shipment by a certain time and they didn't get the shipment by a certain time. So, you know, not really on them, but it is, and yeah. But I'm sticking with them because overall it's been like, it's so different from any other subscription box we have. So, I like it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!